2MBI200NR-060-01 by USComponent.com. The Fuji 2MBI200NR-060-01 is a high-performance IGBT, insulated gate bipolar transistor module designed for demanding power applications. It features a voltage rating of 600 V and a current rating of 200 A, making it suitable for use in industrial motor drives, power supplies, and other high-power systems. This module is known for its low on-state voltage drop and fast switching capabilities, which enhance efficiency and reduce energy losses. With advanced thermal management, the 2MBI200NR-060-01 ensures reliable operation under high temperatures and heavy loads. Its robust construction and superior performance make it a reliable choice for various power electronic applications. Ready to buy 2MBI200NR-060-01? Please contact sales at USComponent.com.